Mastering low-lag indicators for active trading. Active traders seek indicators that provide timely insights. Lag can lead to missed opportunities and increased risk. This presentation explores low-lag indicators. We will cover Heikin Ashi, Zilima, VWAP, and price action. We aim to equip you with tools for more responsive trading. Heikin Ashi, smoothing price action. Heikin Ashi uses modified candlestick formulas. It averages price data to filter out noise. This smoothing process highlights trends more clearly. It is excellent for spotting trend direction and strength. The formula for a Heikin Ashi candle is close equals open plus high plus low plus close divided by 4. Open equals previous HA open plus previous HA close divided by 2. High equals max high, HA open, HA close. Low equals min low, HA open, HA close. Zero lag exponential moving average, ZLEMA. Calculation, adjusts EMA calculation to anticipate price movement. Responsiveness, more responsive than standard EMA. Caveat, can produce false signals in choppy markets. ZLEMA is an EMA variation designed to reduce lag. It adjusts the calculation. This attempts to predict price movement. It's more responsive. However, it may give false signals in choppy markets. Volume-weighted average price, VWAP. Real-time calculation, calculated during a trading session. Volume weighting reflects average price weighted by volume. Benchmark offers a lag-free benchmark for price action. VWAP reflects the average price weighted by volume. It's calculated in real time. VWAP offers a lag-free benchmark. It does not predict, but indicates current price action. Price action, indicator-free trading. Support, resistance, candlestick patterns, trend lines. Price action eliminates lag. It relies on current market movements. Use support resistance levels, candlestick patterns, and trend lines. Many experienced traders advocate this approach. Caveats: the reality of zero lag, volume analysis, analyze volume, price action, understand the levels, indicator, combine Heikin Ashi/ZLEMA with price action. Markets are forward-looking, indicators are backward-looking. No indicator is truly zero lag. Even Heikin Ashi and ZLEMA might lag. This can occur in volatile conditions. Practical application, test and refine. 5-minute day trading. Daily, swing trading. Try Heikin Ashi on platforms like TradingView or MetaTrader. Test it on your preferred time frame. Use 5-minute charts for day trading. Use daily charts for swing trading. Key takeaways and next steps. Explore low-lag indicators. Test in different time frames. Combine with price action. Refine based on your strategy. Low-lag indicators offer timely insights. Heikin Ashi, ZLEMA, VWAP, and price action can be valuable. Test these indicators. Refine based on your trading style and market.